What's going on, guys? This is second unboxing. Sorry about the bad lighting. I'm gonna buy a I guess a light source or whatever. But I am unboxing a 3D pen that I got off of Wish. You can go in the description and see what I buy, whatever. Okay, so in here we have the comes in wrapping, whatever, the 3D pen, a charger. That warms up pretty fast. Okay, so it just turned green, which means it's all ready to go. Oh, it comes with different speeds. Comes with 3 different filaments. The filaments all come in different sizes. So let's see. So I'm playing with the Slinky. So we got a pink. Yeah, pink, yellow, and green. I don't know how long these are, but yeah. So we're gonna start with the. I'm gonna start with the yellow. I like the pink and the green. I already ordered more filament for this, and so let's see. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Stop that. Oh, so you gotta. Oh, it's sucking it up. That's cool. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, it's the speed. Okay, make it like a simple box like everyone else does. So it like constantly trades, like, I don't know what it's doing, but it's like changing the speed as I'm doing the process. I think a good way to do this is like get a fan while you're doing this, so it dries solidly as you're like finishing it up. Well, that's gonna be it for that. So yeah, 3D. That's ugly. Like, um, I'd highly recommend. This is fun. I just have to get. This is some. This is some strong stuff. Oh, it's like really stiff. So, yeah, it's a box. Oh my gosh, that is. Oh. So if you guys like this video, please leave some likes, comment, subscribe down below, and all this other stuff. I am just balling. Oh, I was gonna show my friends. Let's make another one. If you guys like this, you want to see more unboxing, just tell me what to get. I might get like a PO box. That's a lot of money, but I might get one. You guys can send me stuff, and I'll open your stuff up. So I'll catch you guys later, because I don't know what I'm gonna post.